All right,
Second
guys,
best.
welcome to the podcast. We're gonna have a discussion on the game six. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, like the championship game. Uh, series clinching win by the Meralco Bolts, and I would say Mario, it was amazing. Maraming tao yun nanood. Maganda yung reactions ng mga tao as well. Minsan ka lang makakita ng ganun because the Commissioner's Cup, it wasn't like that.
Oh
'Diba? It
yeah.
was all laughing emojis. If you check the Facebook post, it's all like, "Hay
And
nako, boring." Ngayon, it's
you
more
can't
of
be
a lot of
surprised.
people.
Everybody. I mean, the FPB's had its haters for a while. This like whole conference.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No matter what game was happening, it was the same comment everywhere. It doesn't really.
Oh, except this finals though, it really was
Exactly.
a breath of fresh air, kumbaga,
Oh,
with
hell
the way the PBA was perceived and how the finals really went. Ganda talaga eh, walang
yeah.
tambakan eh. The biggest lead was just 14 eh. I think just wasn't in one game.
Yeah.
And that was by SMB.
Not a
So,
single, yeah, not even a single blowout. Even that
mm,
game where SMB won by double digits,
11,
close.
12, 'di ba? Parang you wouldn't say it's a blowout eh.
Actually, kaya pa manalo ko ng game na yun. Medyo nabitawan lang.
Nabitawan nga.
Nabitawan lang talaga nila. Pero dude, not a single game was like, sure ako mananalo sila dito. Sure ako. Walang ganun na laro. And like, it was really fun. I think it was really, really fun. First of all, watching SMB get challenged, which is something we haven't seen in so long. All right. Second is like the crowd was into it, and we'll talk about those moments yesterday in the game where you could really feel the crowd was into it. Those shots by June Meyer, those shots by Chris Newsom. Every shot was so important yesterday, and it showed up in the end, and it was fun. It was a really fun game.
Yeah, definitely. And no one predicted this. Tayong dalawa, even us
Oh yeah.
entering the finals, I was SMB in 6. Ikaw SMB in 5. Those
That's
were our predictions heading here. But I think after game 1, medyo doon na nag-ano tayo na parang,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
I remember mentioning you. I was like, "Oh, let's actually talk about this Meralco one. I think it doesn't look as easy as we thought it would be." And we were wrong at the start. We thought it would be a cakewalk for SMB. We thought anybody who went against SMB in the finals would be a cakewalk, but we were completely wrong. In fact, SMB this whole series looked like the ones who were
The
mostly in
un-
the hot
they look
this
like the
year.
underdog. Sila yung parang thinner bench.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, yung agenda natin, Mario, it's not an agenda, but it's our quote-unquote personal agenda. It's called the Jericho Cruz and Terence Romeo
Uh,
watch. Jericho Cruz 14 minutes, 0 points. Terence Romeo 9 points pero minus 18. So,
yeah.
yeah.
Well, to be fair, we saw a lot of what's like some of the problems with Terrence, I think,
Mhm.
yesterday. Sige, he can provide you offense, he can make some mid-range shots, pero defensively, he really struggles defensively, especially because I think every time he was on the court, talagang inaatake siya ng kahit sinong guard yun. Could be
Hinahanap siya.
Keith,
Hinahanap
could
talaga siya.
be Tom, it could be Maliksi, anyone who was defending him, who was being defended by him, tina-target talaga siya. Um, and I think that's always been a problem for Terrence. It just so happens na dati na may makeup ng offense niya, I
Mhm.
think. But this series, it just wasn't there for him defensively. And at the same time, I think we can genuinely say na I think the 3-point shot kind of abandoned SMB completely this series.
Hmm.
Like so many wide open looks that we're
Yesterday, lalo na kahapon, 'di ba?
yeah, oh
Ano
hell yeah.
sila kahapon? 4 for 27, bro.
And some of them were pretty good looks. Some of
Yeah,
them were pretty good.
Trollano, a lot of wide
One
open
had some
shots.
pretty big looks to make. Marshall had some pretty big looks to make. And I think at the same time, we could kind of say the basketball. I don't know. We could say like the basketball gods were kind of on the side of Meralco in this one. Um, it's something that they absolutely deserved. There were two three-pointers ng SME na hindi na count just because hindi nila nabitawan on time. So and one of those was a Terrence three-pointer. And
Yeah, actually.
those are like backbreakers for SMB. I think one of them was to keep the game was to keep the game. The one of Marshall, I think, was to make it a 1-point game in the third quarter. Then the one of Terrence was to make it a 4-point game in the fourth quarter. So um these were big shots for SMB
Na
momentum
shot
wise.
clock lang, naabutan lang
Yeah,
talaga.
both times. And I think that kind of encapsulates a lot of what was the problem for SMB in this series. Na isipin mo, yung SMB mo, yung SMB team na sobrang daming offensive weapons, na shot clock violation. Yung tipong ganun, yung Terrence Romeo forced up three-pointer, Marshall Aster forced up three-pointer, na we can say na medyo not really good shots. Yan yung naging key factor, yan yung naging maybe the decider in them losing this game. At yeah. Plus,
Agree.
I think we can also encapsulate the final the offense of SMB in their last two possessions. I'll give full credit where full credit is due. Junmar made a hell of a three-pointer.
Grabe. That was
Junmar
pang
made a
pang ano
head.
talaga, pang
Grabe
movie,
yun.
pang documentary yung
Oo.
Game 6.
As in, yung lumilipad yung bola lang mo
Sa
lang,
tagal eh, no?
putik, papawasok to.
Papasok to. Sa TV rin kitang-kita. Sabi ko, shit, papasok ata to ah.
Papasok to. But like, I'll ask you this right now. Would you really want that to be your shot to tie the game, down
That,
three with
that was
10
fate
seconds
though. I
left?
think that was fate. Pero I think it was intended for Marcio ata.
I think so. So I think
It was intended for Marcio.
that's not the shot you really want anyone to Junmar to be taking or SMB to be taking that possession. And at the same time, the possession
Contested yun. May tao sa harapan niya nun.
contested in Benyusam he almost blocked it. And then even the possession after for SMB, do you really think your best shot in this game 6 was another contested Junmar three-pointer?
It was
Diba?
also a play for Marcio daw. Na broken play lang. Hindi daw,
Ah, bro.
naamoy daw ng Meralco.
I mean, to be fair, if Meralco can sniff out your play two times in a row, that has to be something about how bad your offense looks like right now. Na sobrang halata na if you need a three-pointer, isa lang pupuntahan mo. Yung tipong ganun. So it ended up being two Junmar three-pointers. One went in miraculously, although it would have been amazing. If imagine if Chris
Down to,
Newsom
yeah, if you
if
block
Chris
that.
Newsom did not make that shot for Meralco in yung mid-range jumper,
Ah, yeah, yung game winner.
oh my goodness. I 100% believe SMB wins in the overtime, and I think SMB wins in game 7 just because of that moment. Pero we have to talk about yun nga, who made that shot. It was Chris Newsom, and that guy absolutely deserves all the props in the
Finally a
world.
champion, bro. After 12, 13 years? 13, 14 years?
Finally a champion.
Grabe.
Grabe yung pinatunayan niya this series.
Mm-mm.
Grabe yung pinapatunayan niya this series. And it's the shot what he even made. Pati nung pagbitaw niya, alam mo niya, papasok eh. Alam mo,
Actually, yeah.
alam mo yung it was designed for him to make it. It was either designed for Chris or Cliff Hodge to make it.
It was
Nobody else.
designed for Chris though. It was a play for Newsom.
Yeah, but I mean like in terms of the story, right?
Cliff Hodge, puta.
In
Oh,
terms of the
mid-range mo si
story.
Cliff Hodge na gano'n.
Hey man, he made that mid-range step back, ah.
Yeah,
I don't
pero
know. In terms
mas
of the
bibigyan mo kay
story.
Newsom. Mas bibigyan mo kay Newsom
Yeah,
na
yeah.
kay
Siyempre,
Cliff
bibigyan
Hodge,
mo kay
puta.
Chris talaga. But like, what I was saying is like, in terms of the story, if Junmar makes the insane three-pointer no one end, yung pwede lang sumagot sa kabila was either gonna be Chris or Cliff. And it was
Yeah.
gonna be Chris. Because if it was like Bong or Elaine,
Alain, bro. I feel like Alain or it's either Alain or Chris.
I don't know. I think, for me kasi, I think Cliff and Chris are the literal what's it called? Hearts of the team.
Okay.
Parang they're the ones who deserve this the most after all that they've been through. Yung Meralco na yan. The two,
Mm.
the team captain and the one who literally sacrifices his body every game. One of them was gonna make the big shots. One of them was gonna make a big plays, and it was ended up being Chris Newsom, and he absolutely deserves it. He even made a lot of big shots before that. But yeah, it's just I feel like at the same time, this also comes to the fact that I think SMB kind of underestimated Meralco entering the series.
Feeling ko may kulang sa preparations na hindi natin alam. May
Kasi,
kulang.
yeah. Kasi, imposibleng ganito ka they don't look this bad. Do you know how those rebounds of Meralco yesterday? Yung offensive rebounds ng Meralco, ginagawa nilang maliit si Junmar pati si Mo Tautuwa.
Gang rebounding sila eh. Di
Yeah,
ba? Gang rebounding sila. Ang ganda rin ng
yeah.
timing na nagaling. Although they were out-rebounded yesterday, but still, they won the game.
In the big moments, in the big
In
they
the
were
big
getting
moments, they got the boards that mattered.
they got like maybe in the last 3 minutes, I remember so many offensive rebounds coming.
Meralco.
Coming from Banquero,
Almazan.
Pinto, Almazan, Bates effort. It's just so many effort placed ng Meralco, which makes you really think na they really absolutely deserve yung win sa series na to.
Yeah, bro. And again, I think one of the things that were highlighted here as well, or yung mga usap-usapan sa background was medyo bumango ang pangalan ni Coach Leo Austria dito because of the aftermath nito na oh shit, it's not that easy to just put in a super team
Just,
and put
just
in
play.
any coach and like yeah, go ahead. So ayun, na tumaas yung tingin ng tao kay Coach Leo. I seen it in the comments na oh shit, Coach Leo actually was able to get these guys in line and play
Yeah,
a certain way na di mo kami matatalo.
yeah, I agree. Actually, I would admit na dati akala ko rin medyo puppet coach lang si Coach Leo na anybody can be Coach Leo. Pero
Very valid naman yung nafe-feel mo.
like, as in, you can see it in this one. I think it also could be a factor na iba na rin yung pieces nila. You can see iba na yung
But
pieces
the
na.
core is still the same. The core,
You have a
the
Saturday.
offensive firepower,
Offensive
nandun
firepower,
pa rin yung
yes.
mga pyesa. May pyesa ka pa rin.
Yes. I mean, I don't know. I think it's lacking an Arwin Santos type of player.
Ah,
I think na shooter, na defensive player. Kasi si Motau Tua, he has his
is
moment.
not Arwin. He's not Arwin. Yeah, diba?
Brondial, he's not the best either.
Dude, dude si
So
Tautua
like,
kahapon parang nawala ng confidence. Biglang hindi na tumitira ng tres. I don't know what happened. Biglang, he
I
was
think
shy. Feeling ko na
at some
pagsabi,
point,
I don't know, nasing mo na pagsabihan or I don't know.
feeling ko at some point lang talaga, if your main shooters aren't making the shots, ikaw as a non-main shooter, mahihiya ka rin tumira.
Ah,
Kasi
mahihiya ka rin tumira.
putik yung mga shooter nga natin, hindi pumapasok, ako pa ba? Mga ganun.
Ah, okay. So minsan nasa mental na yan na
I think
parang,
it was a mental thing
fuck.
rin for him. And at the same time, like, for the first time in a very, very long time, you could see Junmar Fajardo frustrated as hell yesterday.
Yes,
And
very,
even in the
very.
game before
Tumitingin na
that,
siya sa ref. Bihira siya mag-bark sa ref, bro.
yeah. But this guy, I don't know, it was just so well planned by Meralco. Sorry, excuse me.
Mm.
It was so well planned by Meralco. The one I would like to give credit to a little bit, I guess, was Simon Enciso.
Yes, that's gonna be our next topic. Actually, I was gonna mention that. Sige, go start it off. I'll just build
Simon
off from
Enciso,
it.
actually, let's be real, he hasn't been having the most minutes this conference. He
May
hasn't
mga
been
with a few
having
DNPs.
Yeah, he hasn't been playing the best this conference, but you played him in game 6. You also started playing him game 5, yeah. But in game 6, he was there. He was making some pretty big shot. He made the 3-pointer to keep them within the game. He made the layup to keep them within the game. I think he was the one who stole the ball also. For the Don Troliano
He was
3-point.
composed. He was
He
composed
was composed.
in the minutes you needed him to be that.
Exactly.
So ngayon napaisip ka na, shit, what if they played in of game 1 pa lang? Because Chris Ross, this season lang Chris Ross is an amazing player, right?
Yeah.
In general. But just for this final series,
Yeah.
after game 1, I'm like, okay, let's try Simon. Let's start Simon. Sayang. Sayang yung adjustment. Sayang.
I think this is I think what happens is that I think you could say Chris Ross is a Coach Leo point guard, right? I think Chris Ross was a Coach Leo's point guard for so
Actually,
many
yeah.
of these teams,
Pwede.
along
Yeah.
with Alex Cavagnot. So I think what they were trying to do is instill Coach Leo's probably offensive schemes at the same time or something to that regard.
Pero
Now
alam ko
you,
they're following Coach George. Coach George talaga yung this season. With just a sprinkle of Coach Leo na, Coach, ano gagawin natin dito? He's still there. He's still behind
yeah,
the
I know
bench. He's there.
he's an assistant, yeah,
Oh.
yeah. But then like I think Chris Ross is much more effective in a Coach Leo system, I would say. Or, it could just be also father time. Everybody
Mostly, I
does
think father time. May
everybody.
tanda na rin talaga. Yeah.
And at the same time, a lot of this is just, I think, SMB players losing confidence in their games,
Yeah, yun yung napapansin ko.
game by
Nawala
game.
ko.
Na, yung nanatili lang yung confidence si Junmer eh.
Siya lang talaga no? Si Abay.
Give me that ball, I will do something. Just make your fucking shots. I think that's what Junmar was saying to his team. Throw me that ball in the post. Ako na
Akin
bahala.
na. Bigay ka
Ako
sa
na.
akin.
Pag ako nag-hook shot, papasok. Pag ako pumasok sa labas, ipasok nyo. And the fact of the matter is, SMB wasn't making their shots. And that's really it. I think at the same time, they chose the right people to beat them. Alam mo yun?
Meralco.
Yung tipong, okay, if Don Troliano is gonna make the three-pointer, I'd rather have Don Troliano beating me than Marshall Lassiter.
Then Marcio, tama.
Yeah. I'd rather have Jericho Cruz beating me than CJ Perez. Yung mga ganun. They
Actually,
chose the...
CJ medyo ano Hindi naman nawala ng confidence but the game just got into his head kahapon.
Yeah, there were some fouls. There were some
Like,
really
what the
bad
come on,
fouls.
CJ, hindi mo kailangan
There were
mag-foul.
some
Fifth mo na yan.
there were some really, really bad fouls kay CJ. Di ko medyo...
Nafo-frustrate rin. May
I think
frustration
frustrated
yung,
din siya.
oh,
First time kasi nga, this is the
nagganyan sila eh. No? What the
yeah, this is the first time nga in a long time na na-challenge sila. And it shows. It shows talaga na na-challenge sila. So it, it it shows na it's not necessarily easy keep blowing teams out. To be fair, they didn't have the hardest time in the Ross series. So each
They
game in the
didn't have the heart,
yeah,
yeah. They could have played
it's
Jeron 30 minutes and they would still be 4-0.
Iran thing. I don't know. I think there could be some changes coming in for SMB. I think we might see Vic Manuel probably leave or
Wala siyang nilaro ng game 6. 0 minutes.
which I'm
I don't know
kind of
why.
surprised. He
Di ko alam
played
kung
pretty well
may
in
injury
game
ba.
four.
Di
I
ko
don't
alam
know.
eh. Biglang naisip ko,
To be
bakit
fair,
0 minutes bigla?
he's had that back injury for a very long time.
So
Pero
para baka na-aggrave, I don't know. We don't know. They don't disclose
we
those
wouldn't know. We
stuff.
wouldn't know. We don't
Yeah.
want to speculate either. But then like ayun, I think we see Vic Manuel leave this off season. I'd argue you might see Jericho. I don't know. You could see Jericho get traded. You could see Jericho go to another team. Just so that on both ends it would help, I think. It allow Jericho to actually be the star that he can be.
Get his
Like
confidence back, bro.
and at the same time, like I don't know who would hate Jericho Cruz on NLEX. I think Jericho Cruz on NLEX would be fun as hell.
Babalik siya NLEX, no? Amin yan eh.
Yeah, I think
NLEX
that
yan
would
eh.
be. I know, but I mean like that would be fun as hell
Pero
with
with
what.
Bolik and Alas, bagay ba si Jericho? Gagawin mo
I
siyang
mean,
3?
to be fair, man, who aside from Bolek and Alas, who's your next guy?
Good question. Wala na.
Yeah, who's your next
Wala
guy
na.
after
Wala
Bolek
na.
and
I'll put
Alas?
Jericho at the 3. Fuck it.
I would have. I think one of them can come off the bench and be
Yeah.
that.
Alas.
Yeah.
Pwede si Kevin. Considering na ay may biglayin eh.
Let's be real. If the some of the positions in NLEX could be filled by Jericho Cruz, and it would make NLEX tons better. I think you'd rather have Jericho Cruz starting than Matt Nieto. Yeah.
Well, iba naman sila ng role. Matt's a point guard. Jericho's different roles, but
But Bolek needs the ball in his hands, so you don't fit necessarily great Bolek and Nieto, right? Or I would that's how I see it, because Robert Bolek needs the ball in his hands to be um at least to a certain extent, very effective. But he can take the load off of it. Jericho Cruz can take the load off of Robert.
he'll
So that's
definitely
why
help out. He'll definitely
you're
help out.
double teaming Robert
Oh.
Bolek. At least Jericho Cruz is a more potent offensive weapon. I guess Matt is a better playmaker than Jericho.
Mm.
But then
Yeah.
sometimes you need those points, and that's what Jericho can provide. I don't know. That's off topic. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
But
very. It's okay. It's still SMB.
yeah, ayun. Aside from SMB's confidence lacking, we have to discuss talaga yung Meralco players who really stepped up. Chris Banquero, he stepped into that Aaron Black role and said, "Hey, don't forget about me. Ako, ako, ako yung OG pare. Kaya ko to."
Oh, OG talaga. Actually, sila ni Cliff Hodge, mga OG.
Yeah, ako yung OG guard scoring guy. I was like, alright. And Chris Banquero, even if he didn't have the best game six,
10, 8,
a
and
lot
8
of
pa
the
rin eh. Puta,
yeah.
ganda pa rin ang
Ah,
stats niya.
and a lot of the other games, grabe yung pinapakita niya.
Grabe talaga.
Pakita niya. You gotta give it as well. Cliff Hodge, crazy. That man, that guy would put his body on the line for anything. And yung kitang-kita mo yung improvements ni Cliff offensively. And then Brandon Bates, Raymond Almazan fighting for his life.
Dude,
Fighting for his
did you see
life against
Almazan's face?
Newman.
Dude, ilang beses sa tamaan sa mukha yan. Di ba?
And
Bugbog yung lips niya, putok yung dito. So, grabe, namaban talaga.
he he deserves a lot of you could see it in his face, yung emotion niya. Kasi
Talagang,
alam niya na deserve nila to. Alam niya na nahahawakan na natin. We just need this one. Alam mo yung mga ganun. So Almazan deserves credit. He fought hard. I understand Junmar still played like Junmar,
but it
but he
was,
fought hard
they
to
really
give
put
this.
Junmar through hell as well.
Brandon Bates at the same time. You
Oh,
saw
yeah.
I like in the post game yesterday yung binigay ni Junmar yung respect kay Bates. I don't know
Oo,
if you
grabe nga yun. So, sabi ni,
yeah.
di ba nakita mo yun? Nag-usap sila nung, ano
Yeah,
eh.
they talked on the court after a while, and you could see it. Junmar was giving him his respect. And at the same time, I want to bring up another funny moment yesterday. Yung, yung lamang yung Meralco by like 10. I think
Oh,
lamang yung Meralco by 10. Tapos, Brandon Bates would not stop going against the official. And
oh,
Chris,
na-technical siya, di ba?
we're like, what the fuck are you doing?
Sino yun? Si Coach Nenad?
Hindi. Si Bates, di ba?
Oh,
Then Brandon was going at the officials after
okay.
the foul. And then there was this scene where there's this camera angle where you can see Chris Banquero's face at Brandon. Like, what are you doing? I was like, that's so funny.
Pinapagalit.
Deleted siya. Then Chris Newsom came up and he was like, what are you doing? So yeah, it's a funny moment, but you can see it. Yung leadership ng team na yun, nandyan na talaga.
May
Chris
accountability
Newsom,
talaga eh. No? Surok.
it's
Oh,
just so
bro.
funny because Chris Banquero's face was like, what? What?
Ayaw talaga, they don't wanna give any point, any free point to SMB. This is how much respect SMB na wag mo na bigyan ng free throw. Pero
But then
Marshall missed that free throw, bro. Did you
he
see that?
did,
He
he
missed
did,
that free throw.
he did. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine the missed free throws from SMB also? I think was a major factor in this
Oh
series.
yeah, they
Grabe,
missed a lot. They missed a
nila,
lot.
bro.
10? 10 free
Pati,
throws?
pati sa fourth quarter kahapon,
Dami.
Mo missed two in a row. Marshall missed a technical one. Junmar missed one. Don missed two. Ang dami nila missed free throws na pag pumasok lang. A
Wala.
whole
Game
different
7.
story. Game 7, probably even in the other games though. Not just in the game yesterday. A lot of the other games, Meralco was making their free throws, SMB was not. And that just shows yung small details of the game. Right? You'd think free throws are just like, okay, free throws, kaya nila yan. Pero hindi. Kahit pro ka, kailangan mo pa rin i-practice yan and kitang-kita. Meralco was making their free throws. SMB was not, and that also was a deciding factor sa series.
Exactly, man. And so is there such a great ang daming breaks of the game, right?
Oh,
And this there's so much breaks in the game. Ang dami mo pwedeng mga side storylines that you want to bring up. There are so much things that are happening behind the scenes.
yeah.
And that concludes the PBA season, no? Pero we'll be back. Uh, July draft. That's a whole other podcast. Another whole podcast episode. The mock draft. Once we have the official list, people are
After
still submitting eh. Wala pa
we know
July pa Mario. So wala pa yung so we're waiting for the last day of June kasi nandun na ibibigay yung final list of players who have submitted their
who are some of the names that we're expecting to
wala. Baltazar's one. Dave Ildefonso, hindi nakuha ng Suwon KT. They got Dalf Panopio. So that means
Oh, Dalf is playing for
he's with Suwon KT.
Oh,
They
okay.
replaced Dave with Dalf Panopio.
Okay,
Former Gilas member, by the way, Batang Gilas, Dalf Panopio.
talent.
So
Okay.
hopefully, I want to see Dave play in the PBA.
Kobe.
Bagay laro. I don't
Know
know,
you.
man. I don't know. There's been many rumors about Kobe Paras joining the PBA,
Heard
but
also.
I have no news about him. Those who say na he's gonna join the PBA are sites that are not credible at all. So
Yeah.
I'm just really waiting for the official list. Once we have that official list, let's see. Let's make our own mock draft. Kaya top 10 lang. Top 10.
Yeah.
Kasi 10 picks ata per round sa PBA. Then round 2 is 11. I think so. Or 10,
Yeah.
12. Basta 10 to 12
Yeah.
ganun yung first round. We'll check. But yeah, it's June will be a bit quiet when it comes to PBA, but July starts to ramp up na eh. Because the next season, and they actually OQT din,
I was
Mario.
gonna say, like, don't forget
OQT.
that
We
we
have
have the
OQT.
OQT coming up soon, and them Gilas boys.
Dude, our Gilas podcasts are always a lot of people watch our Gilas podcast. Then again, it's Gilas.
A lot of people are gonna have a lot of things to say about the
Marami
Gilas
na
boys.
naman tayo masasabi sa
Yeah.
mga comments
But
natin sa
guys,
Gilas.
I'll say it as early as now. The talents we are going up against are
Is
crazy
Olympic
talents.
level. Olympic level talent.
Guys, I'm not shitting you. These talents we're going up against are literally, I think we're what's our group?
We're gonna be
Latvia?
with Latvia and Georgia. Georgia,
Yeah.
kaya natin.
Georgia, okay. Georgia,
Kaya. Kaya
I
manalo.
would
I'm not
argue
saying
we have
mananalo tayo.
yeah.
I'm just
Kaya,
saying kaya.
fighting chance, sana.
Yung sa
Pero yung
Latvia, it's a
Latvia,
matter of by how much time matatambakan.
Yung Latvia, yung shooting pa lang ng Latvia,
God damn.
dehado na tayo ng sobra. Pero, syempre, we'll still support, we'll still hope.
Oh, gilas pa rin tayo.
Just
Gilas
bring
pa rin
that all the
tayo.
way. But then, like, I'm putting it out right now for anybody who's watching. When you watch those Gilas games, you gotta keep those extra. You have to understand yung talent difference, yung system difference talaga ng Europe and Philippine basketball. So, like,
Hindi to Mario, dagdag natin. Please guys, please watch Latvia games. Panoodin niyo yung games nila ng World Cup. Grabe.
the biggest Latvia fan right there. Si Nico yung biggest fan ng Latvia.
Letuva. Letuva. Memorize ko pa rin yung cheer nila. Nakikisabay ako sa Letuva eh.
Yun yung nababastos na ako sa sarili ko. Yung tipong gusto
Sinasabi ko,
mo.
Mario, tala na mag-Latvia na tayo. Ayoko pa rin.
Yeah,
Doon the best talaga nung kinalaban nila. Ay, hindi! Letuva is Lithuania.
yeah. I think so. Yeah,
Na,
when we,
na, 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 naalala ko yung Lithuania because they lost by like 25 to a Latvian team.
the
And
Latvia Kings.
si Jonas Valanciunas was
Guys.
unplayable, bro. Ano
I
gagawin
swear.
sa perimeter, di ba? Hinahunt siya ng mga Latvians.
I think when you guys watch Latvia, when you guys will watch Gilas versus Latvia, if you guys will watch it, I think that is when you guys will finally know what Latvia is, or when people will notice what Latvia is. And there's a reason why Latvia was top four in this recent
They could have
ano.
beaten Germany. If they beat,
Yeah.
di ba quarters ba yun? They could have went
Dude,
to the finals.
they were one Bertans.
1-3 away.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
they
were
were 1-3 away.
pointer away from ano, from
Abertans.
making it to the
Yeah.
final. So, guys, I'm telling you, don't sleep on Latvia. Georgia game, I think we have a
Kaya.
decent chance against Georgia.
Kaya, Georgia. Kaya
It is
talaga, Georgia.
Goga. Goga.
Goga, yung si Shengelia, that point shaving guy. Nakakita si
Yeah.
Shengelia, bro. He's their 6'6" point guard.
Gagi, di point guard yun.
Point guard si Sheng, nag-ano siya, nagpo-point
Nagpapasa
forward
ng
siya.
bola.
Pero six,
Nagpapasa ng bola.
oh, point forward siya. Pero
Yeah,
naiinis ako sa kanya eh. Sobrang, because of the games he bet on sa Georgia.
shades gone.
Ano trip nito para di marunong mag-basketball bigla?
Shades. Anyway, so like guys, have fun with the Gilas one.
Mm-mm.
The lineup is not gonna change, right? I think they've had this
Wala
same.
lang si, actually it's gonna change. Wala ulit si Edu and walang Malonzo this time.
Oh yeah. Do they have replacements na? Or will
Yeah, it's gonna be Mason and Japet.
Mason Amos?
Amos. Oh, may news.
Oh,
May report na. Siya na yung
oh,
sasama sa ano.
oh,
It's Mason and Japet.
fun. That's fun. At the same time, guys, don't forget. I think in like 3 months, it's the UAAP season na rin.
Yeah. No. Oh yeah, September.
Yeah,
September 7.
yeah. September, UAAP season na rin. At the same time, guys, don't forget to support. Ano rin, ang daming basketball soon.
June
Strong,
lang yung parang dead month. For the
strong group
next
in
2
the
weeks,
Jones.
2 weeks of
Yeah,
dead lang ano no sports masyado.
strong group in the Jones Cup. Have you
That's July also,
that
13 to
lineup is
21.
insanely good as well. So a lot of college talent, a lot of important talent, a lot of overseas talent. We get to see.
Remember last year may American team? Ay, sana may American team this year para matry natin mabawian. Because I
Ano,
feel like di ba that was Ross versus like a US
Your
NCAA one team. Ross lost by
California
like
Irvine
30.
ata yun eh. Yeah.
Huh?
California something like that. Anyway,
Yeah, UC Irvine. Yun! UC Irvine.
Irvine, yeah. So much basketball in the next coming months. So like just enjoy it. The PBA will be back in like
We'll have
3
draft content soon. We're
yeah.
just waiting for the official list then tsaka kami maglalaro with the
Oh.
draft content.
Hey guys, it'll be so fun in the next few months. We get to see so much young talent. We get to see so much European talent. We get to see the strong group. And I'm pretty sure there's also a lot of still MPBL. I don't know if there's some MPBL fans out there, but
Manila Stars.
you got John Wilson. John Wilson just transferred
Ano
to
ba?
Nueva Ecija. You got Marquis who transferred to Abra. So many things are happening
Gagi,
right now.
lakas nun. Bakit kaya pinakawalan si Marky, no? lakas pa
Bro,
naman ni
sahod
Marky.
ano lang yan,
Sahod na yun. Hindi ko
kalaki
na
lang
alam
yan,
yun.
bro. So much basketball for those people who are looking for something to watch or looking for something to pass time. Ang dami pang basketball na pwede nyung panoorin. So like just keep watching the games. I'm pretty sure Nico and I will probably plan a few more podcasts on like these non-PBA items and just keep up with it. It's really fun.
Yeah, and agree. And to just wrap things off, no. I suggest you guys to follow One Sports on YouTube. Yung mga di masyado naka-follow ng PBA Finals. para makita nyo ano yung hype, what the hype is about, bakit kami nagkaganito. Because last year, last Commissioner's Cup, Mario and I weren't like this when it comes to our excitement. We cannot fake this. We're
Yeah.
not faking our excitement right now. It's really a wonderful series, one of the best I've watched in years. And yeah, follow on sports, check the game highlights, panoodin nyo lang and you're gonna see why people are loving the PBA after this All Filipino Cup. And hopefully they build upon it leading up to the 50th season.
Working off of that, if you guys need an encapsulation of what this entire series has been, just watch the last maybe 5 minutes of Game 6 yesterday, and you'll understand exactly those sequences are exactly what the whole series have been. It's been back and forth the whole
Hindi
time.
mo alam ano mangyayari.
It was really good.
All right.
Congrats to
Yun
Meralco though. 100% congrats to Meralco.
yes. Oh, congrats to Meralco, the champs for the All
That's the
Filipino Cup.
first time champions in for the team and for a lot of their players. So congrats big time. All absolutely deserved. And for the SMB fans, promise makakabawi din kayo.
Malakas pa rin kayo.
Oh,
It's not the end of a dynasty. It's just you just
ano lang.
restart
Oo.
lang kayo. I mean like restart lang from like, 'di ba?
Oo.
Naputol lang streak nyo.
Oo.
I won't be shocked if
Actually,
manalo ulit kayo.
makalimutan nyo lang magbayad ng electricity bill kaya nanalo yung Meralco. Pero
Uy,
mga next
binababa ng Meralco yung electricity bill,
okay.
Mario. I saw
Okay
that
naman
in
pala eh.
Facebook.
Okay naman pala eh. Tignan mo, manalo lang Meralco na binaba yung electricity. Yun man pala eh. Di sana manalo lang Meralco lagi, di ba?
Oh, good for us who pay the bills already.
Uh,
But yeah, it's one of the best PBA seasons we have watched. See you guys. We'll have more episodes.
Hell yeah.
Yung PBA namin siguro July pa. Kasi again, we need a list. We cannot make like a mock draft pag biglang hindi magde-declare. Eh,
Unless they're like them big moves, you know? Unless
big
there's
moves.
big moves.
May mga, I think papahinga muna sila. 1 to 2 weeks.
I
Papahinga
think,
muna.
sure, bro.
I'm
With,
waiting on the Nambatak trade. Nire-rework nila yun eh. Na-reject, diba? Inaayos
yeah,
nila eh. They're gonna
yeah.
submit another one daw eh.
So if I told you my thoughts on that. That's what
Yeah, I mean, sa side mo it was fair, diba? But,
I don't know. It's not the fairest trade
I mean
ever.
like valid pala sa side mo.
I
It
think
was
it's
valid.
I think
Gets
it's
mo.
certainly a bit more valid than the other trades we've seen from them. Because to be fair, what's Reyna Batak isn't really
Mabango lang pangalan ni Ray. Kaya some
yeah.
people like, because people like Ray.
Yeah, I
What?
think mabango lang yung pangalan niya. Kaya people think it's like super duper unfair. Pero like if you actually look at what was given, Kib Montalvo a few picks, and something like that. It was fairer. It wasn't fair, but it was fairer than the previous trades. Plus, really, like to cap off like everything, the whole series again, the whole thing is that I think it's gonna be fun next conference. No height limit imports. No height limit imports, and a lot of these players now on their teams are gonna have like, I know a lot of these players on their teams have a lot more time to gel. I think we see a better Brandon Ganuelas roster. I think we see a better NLEX now that Bolik is like gonna be fully incorporated into the team with a new coach. I think we could see a better Hinebra with hopefully Jeremiah coming back. You
Phoenix
could
will
see
have Tyler Teo back.
Phoenix will have Tyler Teo back. Terra Firma could
Nawala
have
si Javi. Nawala si
a
Javi. So baka mag-regress sila na onte.
props to Javi though. Props
Yeah,
to Javi.
congrats KBL.
And then at the same time, like you'll see a Holt who's getting all better, Isaac Go who's getting better.
Converge is gonna get better. Lalo na Converge.
Yeah, Converge will have Arana and Stockton
And the
then
number one pick, whoever that is.
number one pick na ba sila?
They are. Kasi by record lang naman ng NBA, ang PBA, they're not lottery. PVL's lottery, PBA is just pinakapangit na record accumulated throughout the season. Tsaka sino yung taas.
Oh, yun. So Converge will be better. They'll have the number one pick. I wonder who that's gonna be. Ross.
You think if Dave declares, he could be a number one pick, or kung Balti versus Dave? Oh, that's a different different that's a
different time.
magandang mga conversation. But yeah,
time. That's a good question though. But I will tell you this though.
Gusto ko yung napaganon kayo like, oh, yeah, that's a good question.
I would absolutely love to see Dave Ildefonso in a Rain or Shine jersey.
Rain or Shine with Sean? I don't think he's gonna drop that far, bro. I feel like Rain or Shine's like what 7.
I'm so sorry.
They're gonna be lower end ng pick ng
Ah,
first round. They're gonna be 8 to
like
10. They're not gonna be top 5
top three si David, top
because
three
they
si
made the
David.
quarters.
I mean, my point is like it would just be nice to see him in the Rain or Shine jersey in terms of like I doubt he gets to make it there because obviously in
Hindi
terms
siya
of
abot. He's too
hindi
good.
siya
He's too
aabot.
good. He's too good.
But it would just be really fun. You get to see the brothers play together. At the same time, I think Dave Ildefonso could be that piece
Yeah, that's the
of
piece you need
Ross.
na. Yun
I think
yung
that could
sinasabi
be the
mo.
piece of Ross. He could really be the piece of Ross.
But that's a
So
perfect world though. It's not a perfect world,
it's
my
not a
guy.
perfect world, not even close to it, right? If it were a perfect world, SMB would make their free throws.
Oh.
Right?
Bakit may
So,
parting shot ka sa SMB?
hey man, free throws, free throws, free throws, free throws, man.
Yeah.
I think if you see a lot of pages, that's what you'll see. That's what you'll see. It's always free throws, and I'm sure they'll bounce back off that. So many teams are getting better. Anyway, going back. So many teams are getting better next conference. You'll see Meralco will have AB back maybe. I'm sure SMB will make a few moves. Northport with Arvin and Zave fully healthy. JM Kalma sana will get healthy. You know, like a lot of teams are ready to come out and play next conference, and it's really fun.
Yeah. And see you guys for the upcoming episodes. Thank you so much as always, Mario. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow on Spotify. See you guys next. And don't forget to comment.
Oh
Nice
hell,
comments. See you.
oh, hell. Bye.